If you're considering HideMyNetwork for your online security, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. While it's one of the more talked about VPN options, comparing it with some of the top competitors in the market can give you a clearer picture of what you're really getting into. Let's dive into the key details. First off, HideMyNetwork offers a user-friendly interface, which is a big plus for beginners. It's designed to make connecting to the VPN quick and simple, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's the most feature-packed option available. When compared to heavy hitters like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, you'll find that HideMyNetwork doesn't offer quite as many advanced features or configurations. Next thing, speed. While HideMyNetwork delivers decent connection speeds for everyday browsing and streaming, it doesn't quite match the lightning-fast speeds of some other services. If you're someone who requires top-tier performance, especially for things like gaming or 4K streaming, this may not be the best fit. Competitors like ExpressVPN and CyberGhost are known for their ultra-fast connections and superior performance. The third thing you should know is HideMyNetwork's server network. It's smaller than what you'll find with larger VPN services. While it does cover many countries, you won't get the global coverage or the vast server selection that services like NordVPN or Surfshark offer. That could limit your ability to bypass geo-blocks in some regions, depending on where you're trying to connect. Moving on to security features, HideMyNetwork uses strong encryption, which is standard in the industry, but it doesn't include some of the specialized security options that competitors offer, like double VPN or split tunneling. If you're looking for that extra layer of security, other options like NordVPN or ProtonVPN might be better suited to your needs. Next up, pricing. HideMyNetwork's pricing structure is competitive, but it doesn't always offer the best value for the money. When compared to alternatives like Surfshark or private internet access, you might find that you get more for your dollar with those services, especially when they run promotions or offer long-term subscription discounts. The sixth thing is the logging policy. HideMyNetwork claims a no-logs policy, but it's always a good idea to read the fine print before trusting any VPN with your data. Some VPNs, like ExpressVPN, have been independently audited to confirm their no-logs claim, which adds an extra layer of trustworthiness. HideMyNetwork hasn't undergone such independent audits. The seventh thing to note is the streaming support. HideMyNetwork works with major streaming platforms like Netflix, but it doesn't consistently unblock as many libraries as other top-tier VPNs. If unblocking content is a priority for you, services like NordVPN and CyberGhost are known for their superior streaming capabilities and larger access to international content. The eighth point is about customer support. HideMyNetwork provides 24/7 support, but their response times and helpfulness aren't as fast or reliable as some of the leaders in the industry. Services like NordVPN and ExpressVPN are known for their responsive customer support, offering quick and detailed solutions. Next, let's talk about compatibility. HideMyNetwork supports all major devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, it lacks support for some lesser-known platforms that are available with other VPN services, like routers and smart TVs, which could be a deal breaker if you need a VPN for multiple devices. The 10th point, HideMyNetwork does offer a kill switch, but it's not as customizable as some competitors. Services like NordVPN and ExpressVPN give you more control over how the kill switch works, allowing you to set it up to your exact preferences. Next thing, connection reliability. While HideMyNetwork is generally stable, some users have reported occasional disconnections, especially on less common servers. If a stable, always-on connection is crucial for you, other services like CyberGhost and ExpressVPN tend to be more reliable in this area. The 12th thing is the free trial. HideMyNetwork does offer a free trial, which is a great way to test out the service. But if you're looking for a long-term commitment, their refund policy is a bit more restrictive than some of the bigger names. Competitors like NordVPN and Surfshark offer more flexible refund policies, giving you peace of mind in case you're not satisfied. In conclusion,